Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the Calculator app on your iPhone efficiently. Let's dive in and make those calculations simpler and faster. First, to open the Calculator app, swipe down from the middle of your home screen and type Calculator in the search bar. Alternatively, locate the app in your Utilities folder. Now that the app is open, you're ready to start calculating. Enter the numbers for your calculation just as you would on a standard calculator. Made a mistake? No worries. Simply swipe left or right on the calculator display. This gesture lets you delete the last digit you entered, allowing for easy corrections. If you find that you need to wipe the slate clean and start a new calculation, just tap the C button. This action clears all previous entries, setting you up for a fresh calculation. Remember these tips to enhance your calculating efficiency. With just a swipe and a tap, managing numbers becomes a breeze.
Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe for more insightful tips and tricks to get the most out of your iPhone. Happy calculating!
That's it for this tip. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at iPhone Power User if you enjoyed this tip. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.